Here's a clear breakdown of the new things introduced in the BMW 9/3 NEUE Class premiere at IAA Mobility, based on the speeches you shared. High-voltage electric powertrain and performance. Greater than 800 kilometers range, WLTP, nearly doubles previous EV ranges. 400 kilowatts ultra-fast charging, 370 kilometers of range added in just 10 minutes. Heart of Joy, central computer, integrates drivetrain and driving dynamics, processing data 20x faster than past systems. Driving dynamics enhanced digitally, but still focused on sheer driving pleasure. Desktop computer digital experience. BMW panoramic iDrive, windshield-wide projection system, visible to all passengers, next-gen evolution of head-up display. Free-cut central display and iconic steering wheel, minimalistic, driver-focused layout. Operating System X, more intelligent, higher personalization, My Modes, adjust lighting, sound, drive feel, screen content. Symbiotic Drive, driver plus vehicle cooperation for safety and autonomy. Artist Palette Design Language. New Form Language. Clean surfaces, few sharp lines, emphasizes all four wheels. New light signature front and rear, vertical kidney grills, chrome replaced by light. Strong stance, wide shoulders very BMW but future forward. Interior design, clean, warm, with digital white, trim plus curated options. Seedling sustainability. Built with 1/3 secondary raw materials. Designed for circular economy, decarbonization across production, supply chain, and life cycle. Transparent path to climate neutrality, Paris Agreement aligned. Sport utility vehicle product strategy. 9/3 equals first production car of NEUE Class, built in Debrecen plant, later this year. Next up, all-new BMW i3, 2026, the first fully electric 3 Series, classic proportions but 100% NEUE Class tech. Rollout plan, 40 new/updated models by 2027. NEUE Class is not niche, starts in high-volume segments so innovations spread quickly. White heavy checkmark in short. What's new is not just one car, but an entirely new BMW era, clean design, immersive digital experience, massive EV range with ultra-fast charging, AI-level computing power for driving, and a circular economy focus.